Ah, c'est incroyable!
Yeah. I'll admit, this is pretty good. It's actually pretty awesome.
These are cool. They're very lightweight. You know, maybe in the subway or if you're on a plane, even at home.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god. I feel like Iron Man.
Pretty easy to use.
Yeah, and I'm a grandma. I can do it.
I like it.
I've never seen anything like this before.
They're very comfortable.
I mean, this is fun for me when I travel. So basically, pretty much, I'm sitting on for a long flight.
How much would you pay?
I can see this going for like $1,000. That'd be probably a pretty good price for it.
Well, how much do you think that should cost?
I don't know, a grand?
A grand, wow.
It's really amazing. Buy them.
Rokid AR Lite, your first spatial computing AR glasses. Max 2 in 2 colors. Air nose pad. Most comfortable to wear. Most friendly to myopia. Max 2 has the best picture quality. The largest screen. Private and immersive sound experience. Station 2. Powerful performance for wonderful experience. Charge and use simultaneously. With natural interaction. Ready to rock. Yoda OS Master, the industry-leading OS. Massive spatial apps. Giant screen mode. Adjustable size and distance. Multi-app mode enables simultaneous multi-app use on multiple screens. Portable office mode. Spatial browser. Supports 3D, WebXR, and PWA. Remote transmission. Supports file and app transfer. Multi-device casting. And epic screen projection. Spatial video. Every frame is a vivid eternal moment. Hundreds of AI models. Making AR smarter. Rokid AR Lite. Top-tier spatial AR experience.
First things first, you're a superstar.
welcome back. This is our second part of our live stream, and so thank you so much that you're staying with us and keep watching us. My name is Anna.
And Neo is here together with Rokid, my friends.
Yeah, so like we said before, we divided our live stream into 3 parts, so everyone from different time zones can join us and watch us live. So please, let's see. Our first part was about Kickstarter platform and Max2. Here we keep going with the questions about Max2 and all the other questions that bothered you before. So today, during our live stream, you'll get your answers and we'll try to introduce our product more and give you full information about it.
That's right, my friends. So you've got many questions and you've been using the product and you've been like really like in such a curious state that you would like to know more about that. So that's why we're here, my friends, and we gathered around 1,000 questions and we divided them into 3 parts, okay? So that's the thing. So first of all, we were talking about the Kickstarter policy and other issues and questions connected with that, such as like pioneer benefits, shipment details, and more. Second one is going to be about the Max2, and the third one is going to be about Station2. So that's a big thing. So we're having live, my friends, on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, my friends. So these platforms right now, you definitely gotta follow us. Shoot your question. It's fine. We are live. We do have the managers, and we can back you up and find out the answers together. And don't forget, my friends, that's really important. If you want to take part in our giveaway session, it's easy to do, my friends. We do have here the keyboard, and we do have here our earbuds. So it's a set. We've got 3 sets, my friends.
3 sets. So we already did the first giveaway in our first part. So someone already got so lucky and got their set.
That's right.
Office set from Rokid AR.
How to win that is easy, my friends. You gotta stay live with us. You gotta be active, follow our official accounts, and shoot your question. Our managers will choose 3 random persons how to win, and they will contact you. So don't forget to mention your name, contact details, and it will be shipped to you. So thank you.
Stay active and stay with us.
That's right.
Okay, so like we introduced before, that our product been launched on May 27th, Rokid AR Lite. And so many viewers, so many users supported us, which were so appreciated, and thank you so much for your trust. First, our live stream is mainly to express our appreciations and give you the answer for your questions, because we understand the product is new and some of you might have questions about how to use it, what does it look like, how to connect, or any other questions that you had before. We're going to answer during this live stream. And also, if you got any other new questions, doesn't matter which platform you watch our live stream on, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, leave your question in the comment and we can answer it soon.
Yes, my friends, I want to also remind you that the product was launched, the Kickstarter campaign was launched on May 27th, right? And it's going to be still in progress till July 11th, July 11th. So this is really great opportunity, my friends, to join us. Right now on your screens, you see the QR code, so don't forget to scan it, leave your contact details, and buy the product that you need. Max2, Station2, or Rokid AR Lite. So that's a big deal because we're here discussing everything about that, how to use, how to plug to different devices, and all about the specs and all about the functions.
And now we have the early bird prices,
that's
only
right.
$499.
That's right.
So
that's
please,
right.
hear us out, listen about the product, watch the product in action. We're going to demonstrate so many functions of Max2 today, so you can be absolutely sure that the product is just amazing.
That's right. Okay, let's move on, my friends. Stay with us and be active. So, yeah.
So mostly we're going to be focused on this part on Rokid Max2 question and some Rokid Station2 questions.
Okay.
Yeah, because like I know it's important to know how you actually can use the product, how can you connect, and what does it look like. So here we are, we're going to show you and explain everything to you.
That's right.
Okay, and also remember that we still have 2 giveaway left.
Yeah.
And please stay with us. At least for this part, people who are in this time zone, you can watch us right now. And we still one more giveaway to announce in this part. And please leave your comments, be active, and maybe you can be the lucky one and get this set of keyboard and earbuds.
That's right, my friends. I also want to remind you that we've got 3 different time zones, okay? And Europe and North America can easily watch us, my friends. So please squeeze some time because it's about your question. And when we mention any kind of question, we also mention the name. Mention the name because that's really important, my friends. We want to show you the gratitude and the appreciation that you're the part of the community, and we're here, my friends, developing the next stage of the products together with Rokid. So that's a big thing, my friends, coming right now to you, because this is our live streaming, and this is the perfect opportunity for you to find out the final answers. And of course, if you miss such a live streaming show right now, it's not a big deal, actually, because we have a replay and we're gonna answer all your questions, and you can see, you know, like all the shorts available to you. So around 100 questions will be answered, the most common from all our backers. We do have them, actually, by the way, more than 1,600, my friends.
Wow,
so that's huge.
Impressive.
That's huge.
Yeah, so if for any reason you can't watch the live stream, it's such a great opportunity for you to watch it again and find the answer for your question.
That's right. So, my friends, it's time for the questions. We're talking about Rokid Max2-related questions, and we're talking about the color of the office set. Is it possible to choose or not?
Okay.
So, can you tell us, please, more?
Here is the office set, right? As we mentioned before, here are our giveaway gifts, right? You also can purchase it as well. So here we can see our keyboard, which is foldable, and very compact. So
Let
you
me
can
show you one
carry
more
it
thing.
everywhere.
The magnet is here, so we see it's not unfold. So
that's great.
You got it. It's working. So you can easily just take it. Just put it in your bag. Don't worry that it won't be broken because of something is unfolded or folded accidentally. It's not. Won't be.
Yeah, but it's presented in black color, and I think it's the most convenient one, right?
That's
because
right.
we use the keyboard quite often. And there is no fingerprints left. There is nothing like can be, I don't know, scratch and damage. You will not see the dust on the dark color, right? So I think black is the most optimal color.
That's right.
Yeah, and also we have the earbuds, which presented in white color. Yeah, you can see it right here, and I also think it's such an optimal color.
A stylish thing, here. You know, such a piece that you can definitely enjoy, and with the touch screen available here that you can scroll up and scroll down and just swipe it and find the function that you need. It's about the, the language, the favorite song, the playback, the flashlight, and more. So that's really convenient. And of course, it's possible to connect to Max2 just via Bluetooth. It's possible, and it's easy to do just in a matter of seconds, my friends, if you want to enjoy some privacy.
Yes. Okay. So these are the colors. The keyboard presented in black color and the earbuds presented in white color. I think the colors are great. It's like a very stable color, yes, and you don't need something extra, right?
Maybe some people want some other colors, but again, my friends, we do everything step by step. If you prefer do another color, just send the request. It's fine. It takes some time, and it's possible to find a solution for you. Okay, my friends, so this is it. So let's continue.
I think we can go to other questions.
To the next question, yes. So can Max Connect Station 2 achieve a 1920 by 1200 resolution?
Yes, absolutely. So the Max can be connected to Station 2 and achieve 1920 by 1200 resolution. I think that's pretty great. So the quality of the image is gonna be perfect.
Yeah, my friend, that's really important because Max 1, as it called, is the same. It's the first Air, then Max. So it's the previous generation comparing to Max 2. So the chip might be different, but in Rokid they already thought about that and they made it similar. So made it same. So the chip IMU chip is same. So that's why you can achieve resolution 1920 by 1200 when you connect Station 2 both to Max 1 or Max 2. So don't worry about this. But again, you got to be careful with that and probably update the parameters. So just make sure. That's right.
But yes, absolutely. It can achieve 1920 by 1200 resolution.
Yes.
So no worries.
That's right. Okay, the next one. The resolution of Max 2 connected to Station 1 is also limited to 1080, right?
Yes.
How about the default resolution of both Max 2 and Max 1 is 1920 by 1080, right?
Okay. So
and the last part, when connecting with Station 2, it can realize maximum 1200 or not. That's what we're talking about. Yeah.
So basically, answering your first question, that yes, when you connect to Max 2, the resolution of Max 2, when you connect to Station 1 is also like limited to 1080. But the default resolution of both Max 2 and Max 1 is 1920 by 1080. And yes, when when you connect it with Station 2, it can realize maximum 1200. Yeah, both all the questions were right.
That's right. So my friends, it's also about the generation. It's also about the generation of products and some advancements. So that's really important. So definitely we do recommend you use Station 2 and Max 2 together as a set. So yeah,
because it's more powerful, right?
to perform the maximum computation, because it's also about the chip, it's also about the IMU, and if you want to achieve the best results, so definitely you should keep that way.
Sure. Okay, let's move on.
So the next question we have: how much power does it have from iPhone when it connected via cable?
Okay, so it can reach starting from 2 watts to 5 watts on average. So it's basically kind of the same as you're using your phones, right? So if you're worried about the battery life, you can buy Rokid Hub, which support charging while using. So you can keep using it and it's still gonna charge. This is the Rokid Hub. These little powerful things that can help you to use your phone while charging it.
Yeah, so here I definitely should mention, so there is one male USB port, Type-C to connect, and here there are 2 female ports, one for charging, another one for Max 2 for their AR glasses, okay? So you should definitely keep in mind. So you can both use it and charge at the same time. That's really convenient, okay? Such an adapter. So this is called Rokid Hub.
Yes, such a little thing, but such powerful thing.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Help you to use while charging.
Yeah. So let's move on to the next one. We're talking about the functions of the glasses without the app. Are there any functions of the glasses without the app?
Yes, sure. Actually, if you want to use just the glasses, you can use the cable. It can connect to any of your devices. Like you can, like Neil demonstrated before in the first part, you can connect it literally to every device. Like
we're talking about the Mac, laptop.
Yes,
we're talking about
iPhones.
That's
yes.
right. We are talking about PS5.
Yes, also can be connected. So if you want to use just glasses, it can be used like a screen amplifier, right? So anything that you see on your phone screen, on your laptop screen, can be projected into your
and Windows PC as well. So
sure,
it's all about Type-C, my friends. So that's possible.
Yes. Okay, so basically, yes, it can be used as a host to amplify anything on your device, from your device.
That's right. So the next one, is there a chip inside the glasses to automatically reduce screen movement? That's really important.
Yes. Like we were also saying before, we have a new mode, sport mode, in our Max 2, which provides anti-shake function, right? So it's mostly not about the chip, like about this function, which provides anti-shaking mode and anti-sickness mode, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so I think it's a great function. It's a very good achievement to invent this mode into Max 2, so you can experience it yourself. You don't need the chip, you just can activate the mode.
Yeah, it's about both hardware and software, but so thanks to that sports mode, that's possible to do, and that's a big achievement. So my friend, that's why we're here, and during this live streaming show, you constantly see how we do use these products. We're talking about Rokid AR Lite, and definitely you see that the projecting screen is really nice, stable, and it's not shaking, and the image is clear. So that's really important, my friends. And especially the sports mode is all about, when you do some additional activities like I don't know, some motions or whatever. So for example, if you're at the gym, you wanna do some running at the treadmill, or you in a taxi on the back seat and it's a bit shaking, so you can just activate your sports mode, and it's really cool, my friends. And my friends just having fun and said, hey, maybe I can run and also wear the glasses. I said, hey, you can have a try, but maybe a bit later. So we can have some fun, but again, it's also about developing the software. It's also about the updates, and to make it safe and usable. That's really important, my friends. So we do everything step by step, and thank you for your questions and your curiosity, because that's a big deal. Yeah, that's important.
And that's very important to know every little detail about Max2, so you know how to use it and you can be sure about functions, right?
That's
Which
right.
Max2 and Station2 have.
Let me also add you about this sports mode. I like it so much because I'm kind of active guy, and when I even sit, so I move a lot, you know. But these sports mode help you to like, you know, fix the screen at one area. So even like you shake your hand or you stir something a bit, so it's fine. It's not that shakeable, and it's good. It's stable. So your eyes won't like feel tired, and like you won't have any headache because it's stable and not shaking.
Yeah, like
That's
you said,
important.
like you said, we're constantly moving while sitting, so
Yeah.
it will be absolutely comfortable to see the image very stable and very clear.
That's right. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We're having here what difference this new FOV makes compared to other products.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we're talking about field of view, we made some research, and most of the products have only 46 degrees, right, or even lower. Max2 has actually 50 degrees of field of view, which is great. It's like the top of top. So like I said, most of products have only 40, like the maximum that we found it was 46 and even lower. Max2 has 50 degrees of field of view.
That's great. Now I see why they say and keep the slogan, the pioneer of AR. Yeah, that does make really sense, you know.
Because
That's
like
a big
such
deal.
Good improvements.
Yeah,
that really...
that's right. It's lightweight, you know. The arms adjustable. They're nose pads. They're really flexible and they're soft. For myopia, it's also possible to adjust the lenses. Prescription lenses possible to use. So all my friends to you here is realized, and it's really important because you're adding extra questions and we can add something more. So just stay tuned, and in September it's going to be shipped to you. That's right.
So all the lucky ones who already purchased Max2 Station2, you're going to receive it very, very soon.
And still you have the time. Why? Because till July 11th they have the time and opportunity to scan the code right now and like experience that, my friends. Not only just listen and watch, but experience by yourself. So that's a big deal. Okay. Yeah, let's move on.
Here we go to your questions,
Yeah.
like Rokid Max2. Let's answer this question. So the first question is, are the new Max2 nose pieces compatible with Max1?
Actually, Max2 have a new nose pads, and as I just said before, it's much more improved, and it's flexible, it's soft, and you can even like, you see how I do touch them right now, so that's really interesting because you know, they're not fixed, so that's really nice, my friends, because there is no such a big pressure on nasal bridge, and you can just wear them for 4 hours. Actually, this is the charging time, and you won't feel tired, and it's fine, it's comfortable. So yeah, that's a big improvement. So there is a big difference between Max1, Max2.
Yeah, I think like since like the next version Max2, they really counted on all the little details that they didn't do before. So now they're absolutely comfortable, completely changed, and more comfortable to wear it for a longer time.
That's right. Every little one makes the difference. So that's all about the Rokid. So yeah, that's really great, my friends. Okay, let's move on and read the next question.
So the next question is it currently possible to project the same content to two glasses at the same time with one device?
Yeah, that's possible. If your DP device supports 2 channels of DP, signal transmission, that's possible to do. And it's really convenient, my friends, if you have you know, some neighbors or partners or like gamers next to you, that's possible to do, and that's a big thing because, you know, it can be an interaction. So that's really nice. That's really nice.
Yeah, so
Or cloud gaming, by the way.
Sure, yeah.
So, you know, online streaming. So not possible to do, yeah.
All right, so let's move to next question. I can see, does Air Max2 support 3D OF independently?
It's all about IMU chips, IMU limitations. You know, it's really a bit different. Yeah, and that's why, my friends, that's something you should definitely consider. The IMU of Max and Max2 are same, so you can definitely use them on Station 2 and work together to realize 3D OF functions. So what is that? It's about left, right, and up. Okay, they're like 3 degrees of freedom. And by the way, my friends, so talking about Max and Max 2, the design is different. Okay, so it's also improved. We're talking about Max 2, the bigger lenses, adjustable arms here. You see the plastic rubber here, so to make it more convenient and make it softer for your area here, like the bone here, you see. So that's really important. When you wear this, you don't feel that much pressure and you just definitely enjoy that, and this is really cool, my friends. Okay, so this is also about the way how you wear and the way how you feel the comfort with this product. That's really important, my friends. And of course, it's about the hardware, as we just mentioned. It's about the 3D OF function. So Max2 can rely on Station 2, but not Air. So yeah, this is it.
Yeah. All right. So, next question. I think we already even made a demonstration before.
Yeah.
Can the Max2 be used as a display to connect to other devices like the Max?
Yes, that's possible to do. We just discussed with Anna before, and we did the demonstration. It can be connected to PS5, to Windows PC,
multiple
to laptop,
devices.
and iPhone. Okay, because all these devices having
Type
Type C here. Okay,
Yeah,
Type C. Yeah, that's right, Type C. Okay, so how possible to do. Let's do this big question right now.
Yes,
let's discuss
so now
it.
we are ready to move to some parameters and characteristics. How does it compare?
Sorry, but wait a moment. Yeah, we do have some comments about the products, and I just want to remind people. Yeah, so we're doing live right now. So my friends, don't hesitate. Just send your requests, send your questions, and our manager is gonna reply you just right away. Why? Because we do this live streaming on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So don't forget and stay live with us, because later, my friends, at the end of this second part, we're gonna have our giveaway, and this is something really important. This is the office set. We're talking about earbuds, and we're talking about keyboard here available to you, my friends. Okay, so stay tuned, follow us on social media, and of course be active, because this is something really important, my friends, and this is why we're here presenting you all these details. Okay, my friends, that's really great that we're here sharing this time with you during this live. So let's move on to the next one.
Like just stay active. It doesn't matter where, which country you're from, when, what time are you watching this live.
That's right.
Yeah, we're gonna announce giveaway very soon, and we will let you know what to do exactly to win this perfect little gifts for you.
Okay.
All right. So we come over to this big question about specifics about Station 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it compare specs-wise to the others on the market?
Okay, so we're talking about Rokid AR Lite Max2 Station 2, right? So that's a big thing. Okay, my friends, so there was a big discussion, there was a big work from Rokid, and great job has been done, and why it's like that. So first of all, you look at the shape of the glasses, and you see that it's not about the goggles, right? So they're not covering the whole face. You're not like in the spaceship, you still can see what's going on around. So it's called AR. Additionally, you can see what's happening in front of you. Yeah, so
not completely separated, right?
Not completely. Yeah, so you still know what are you doing and where you're going and where you are right now, like where you are. So that's really important, my friends. So this is about AR. You're still using the advantages of their augmented reality, and you interact with the outside world. So that's really important. That's really important. So we're talking about system level spatial computing capacity. So there are a few levels and there are a few modes available. So we're talking about the multi-app mode. Okay, that's really important. You can use up to 3 apps, and you can work and you can work, you can listen to music, or you can do the live streaming or cloud streaming or game interaction or any kind of competition with your friends playing the game, Switch, Nintendo, Nintendo Switch, yeah, like PS5 or any games on Mac or Windows. So it's up to you.
Yeah,
you know?
I think it's very convenient. For example, if you work in one app and you either listening to music or either you just need the second app, you don't need to go out again to open this app. You can just like turn your head and
That's
you can
right.
see the app. Turn it back and start
It's
working
like a
again.
desktop, yeah. So you have these windows, you have these tabs, and it's really cool. So thanks to this 3D OF function, my friends, you can definitely realize that, and it's a big deal. It's a game changer. Of course, it's also about the spatial video, my friends. So if you're a content creator, it's possible to do. It's possible to watch the movies. There is like a theater mode here available to you, or sports mode if you wanna watch the video and you are like in a train or like in a car or something. So it's not a big deal. It's possible to do, and it's about the special pictures, special videos, and panoramic pictures. And by the way, it's possible to do the playback on Apple Spatial videos. So that's really important and cool, my friends. And the next one, we're talking about the giant screen, my friends. A giant screen that available to you. You can adjust the size and the distance. So closer, further to you. You can project any kind of picture, image, or kind of information if you have a big presentation. So that's possible to do. Maybe you do like and work on some like PS photos or whatever. So it's up to you, and that's possible to do. Okay, that's possible to do. Yeah. Let's do the next one. So what we're having here, we're talking about 3D and 4K playback. Yeah, as I said before, that's possible to do. 3D pics and videos, 4K videos, playback available. So that's a big thing. That's a big thing. And of course, we're talking about the resolution. The resolution here is 1200 pixels per each eye. So that's really big on the market. So that's why Rokid is a pioneer of AR. And we're here to discuss this, my friends. And this is a big thing. And that's why we're having this Q&A session right now, to prove that, to show you that everything that you invested, everything that you've done as a backer, that's really important, my friends. And we do appreciate that. We do appreciate that. And that's the thing. And of course, it's easy to prove, my friends, why this product is a pioneer of AR, because it's also about the hardware. And we're talking about the refresh rate. So it's about 90 Hertz. Okay, this is the standard in the industry, but we are talking about, the electronic products. We're talking about TV. We're talking about the laptops, displays, and other devices. But now it's about AR glasses. And thanks to the Sony OLED panels, that's possible to do, my friends. Okay, that's possible to do. So the image is not flickering, not jumping, not jittering. It's constant, it's clear, and it's not shaking. And all of that possible to have within just like 75 grams, and you can like easily put in your black cover box that we also provided for easy storage and usage. That's really important, my friends. And of course, talking about the hardware, comparing the topic, it's about RAM. It's 8 GB and the hardware is 128 GB, because this is something really important, my friends. So this is really powerful. It's about your apps. It's about your performance. And of course, it's about your memory. So you should have memory, my friends. We're talking about the vids, the pics, the apps. It's all possible to do. So stay tuned to get more. As Anna said before, about optical display field of view.
Yeah, the field of view, it's like 50 degrees, which was improved until 50. Then regular devices, AR devices, have just 46 degrees.
My friends, just imagine. So that's a big thing. That's a big thing for you. So you definitely should consider this. This is why. How to use Max2. How to use Max2, my friends, and Station2. It's easy to do. Yeah, so of course, this is your brain. This is the brain of Rokid AR Lite. So my friends, we're here to show you and tell you more about this, because it also can be used, just wait a second, it also can be used as as your mobile phone, but just without display touchscreens here. So how to use it? So here we get two, three, a few of them taps on the upper side. So you just like wave it a few times on the up, and you can get this ray. Ray is a pointer. It's like a white line here in front of me. So you remember you have a stick. You have a teacher in your in your primary school. So this is the pointer. It's called ray. And then I do have my touch screen, so I can touch. I can easily navigate. So that's really important, my friend. That's a big thing. Okay. So that's what we're talking about.
Yeah, and here just to compare, we have Max 1, right? So Max
that's right.
And Max 2. You can definitely feel that these are a little bit heavier than Max 2.
Unfortunately, they cannot feel that, but definitely they can see. They can see that this one, Max 2, is bigger. Okay, Max 2 is bigger, first of all. Second, we're talking about the arms. Let's show them the arms.
Yeah,
so here they're foldable. Those ones are not.
Stable.
Okay, so here the metal ending here, okay, prevents it from the any kind of accident or like, you know, durability is enhanced. Next one here, my friends, we're having the nose pads. Show me the nose pad. Let me have a look.
They're smaller and harder.
I'll show them in the camera. Let's take a look. So Max 2, much bigger, as you can see. Yeah, you touch them. There's a quick response. That was a big thing. Okay, and here, Max is a bit harder. Is a bit harder too. Yeah. Okay, my friends. And such a thing. I just see the comments from our customers. They said, "Hey guys, we just checked the weight of Max and Max 2 online, and the weights are the same." Yes, my friends. Thank you. So even keep this in mind, my friends. Even keep this in mind. We were able to realize those functions make their panels bigger, the area bigger, so you feel a bit more secured, and probably the screen, my friends, and the experience, you definitely will have much more fun, you know, my friends. And of course, this is something that you should definitely keep in mind. Okay, here this part, yeah. So design is more stylish, my friends. It's definitely stylish. The area is covered more, you know. So even if you don't use our glasses as like, you know, as a device, okay, so unplug from the Station 2 and just use it like for the sunglasses function. So it's fine. It's up to you if you want that. It's possible to do so. Why not? It's really cool, and yeah, this is a big thing. And my friends, yes, stay tuned because more is coming. And the design, as you can see here, there was blue. So here, how about the colors we have with the Max 2?
Max 2, we have gray and black, right?
That's
silver
right.
And black.
Yes, silver and black. So my friends, that's a change. That's a change. You know, so we wanna wear something cool, something stylish, something high tech and cutting edge, and of course full of, you know, functions. And that's why Rokid 2 here is a big thing for you to consider Rokid AR Lite, my friends. We're talking about the Max 2. That's right. So we've got a few more functions. Let's have a look what else we got here to mention. So maybe we do have the questions from the audience. Feel free to send them right now, because we're here live, and we are talking right now live, my friends, on such platforms as Facebook, Twitter, and always forgetting that. And YouTube. That's right, my friends. I don't forget about you, then you don't forget about me. So Neo and Anna here together with Rokid, and that's a big thing, and that's why, my friends, we would like to share with you. Because it's all about devices, but if you don't have any apps on the device, that's not possible to operate and use and be active. So we're talking about the web app, and powered by the web tech, cross-platform and install free. So we're talking about Yoda OS system, my friends. And it's based on Android, the partners, and it's possible to download all mainstream Android apps, my friends. And also you can download APQ, as we call this manager, app manager. So it's side loading, downloading system. That's possible to download basically any app from the internet and enjoy it freely, my friends. That's a big deal. That's a big deal.
And like some of the users are really afraid that like their main application that they used to use, like for example Instagram, any other applications that you afraid that, for example, they're not going to be on the Yoda system. They're all here. We're fully supported, and everything is going to be fine. Yeah, everything is going to be work as usual.
That's great, my friends. So as long as it's live, my friends, please don't forget to scan QR code. You are here right now together with Rokid, Neo, and Anna. And don't forget, of course, to put some likes and be active. And when you're scanning the code, you will see the page of Kickstarter, my friends. And feel free to fill in the survey and check the products and put them in a shopping cart. It's fine, my friends, because we do have this project going till July 11th, right?
Yeah, July 11th. This is the deadline. This
That's
is
right.
when the project ends, right?
That's
and they
right.
start counting, calculating how many people and from which side of the world purchased Max2.
That's right. So, my friends, when we're talking about the competitors on the market, yeah, probably we would like to avoid the names, but still, yeah. So here we do have Type-C, okay? But how about the wireless connection? It's possible to do as well. It's possible to cast the video to Mac, to Windows, and Android phones. It's possible to do, my friends, and it's going to be instant wireless screen mirroring, my friends. And of course, you can also transfer the files, the apps, any kind of information. So that's possible to do. Okay,
Yeah,
so that's a big advantage as well.
Yeah, keep your regular life, but already with
That's right.
Max2 Air.
That's right. Okay, and another advantage, my friends, that we were talking about, and because we do have people here and colleagues of mine, so some of them are suffering some eye disease, so the myopia, unfortunately, but it's possible to adjust, my friends. So here from 0 to 6 to -6, it's possible to adjust your lenses. So if you suffer farsightedness or nearsightedness, it's also possible, my friends, to have prescribed lenses. If you need that, so just send a message to us right now. We can find a solution for you because it's all compatible with Max2. It's possible to do for 2 eyes. Okay, my friends, here you got the adjuster. Okay, they're always here, so easily do it.
Everything can be much more comfortable for you when you use the AR glasses.
That's right. That's right. And the battery life. So people are asking about that. How about the battery life? The battery life here, you can't kill it, okay, my friends? It's eternal life. So all good is here. So you can use it like for long.
Yeah, for half a day, and you can use it while charging.
Yeah. Actually, they were asking even like not only about how long the battery. Yeah, the battery is 4 hours and the charging time only 2 hours. So that's really fast. Yeah, but like the durability and the long lifespan of the battery, so it's unlimited, my friends. So that's a big deal. So feel free to use and enjoy it, okay? And of course, how to use it without operation system. So we're talking about Yoda OS. The operating system is here, my friends. So this is a big deal, and more is coming, okay? So the Rokid company gonna develop own ecosystem, my friends. I'm talking about the apps it's possible to have in the future. So please stay with us and tune for more. We gotta move to another part. So thank you, my friends. Don't forget to scan your QR code, be a part of Kickstarter project, and let's rock it. Yeah, okay. So
okay, all right. So I think we're ready to move to the next part.
That's
right?
great. That's great. Let's move to the next part, my friends.
Let's see.
And we are live. This is our second part. We're talking about Rokid Max2, and this is Anna's turn. So
okay.
Let's
So yeah, please stay active and keep watching us, because
That's
maybe
right.
it's still, we didn't reach your question yet, but we're definitely gonna come to your question and you can find your answer. So that's why keep watching us, and later we're gonna announce our second giveaway and we'll let you know what to do so you can win the perfect office set from Rokid company.
That's right. So we have the keyboard and the earbuds here available to you. 3 sets, my friends. Okay.
Yeah, foldable keyboard.
Yeah.
For those who just joined,
yeah.
yes.
Lightweight with the touch bars.
Touch bar screen here.
Yeah, touch bar part here available. Black color, and earbuds with the
screen.
Yeah, like
There's so many functions in there.
Yeah, so you gotta definitely try them. So, my friends, we come into the next question. So also want to remind you, my friends, so we've got nearly 100 questions. We categorize them, we just generalize them because like there are like many questions and we just edit them and give you like a general question, okay? So more than 1,600 backers, so we do have the question. Yeah. So the question is, does the Max2 have some simple voice commands?
Voice commands, okay. So not yet, but it's a very good feature, so we are considering to invent it later. So, but how you can help us actually, you can leave in the comment what are the main commands you might need, and we will invent it later and consider it in the future. So also, in fact, you can also install some voice applications, such as like ChatGPT, for example, and then you already can communicate with the voice.
That's right, my friend. So, you know, Yoda OS is not limited, so you can definitely find the best app that you need. And of course, my friends, you can modify the performance the way that you want, my friends, okay? Because this is a big thing, and this is really important, my friends, that you can tune it up, your device exactly that way that you need. It's for office, it's about your daily life, or it's about your any kind of activities for gaming, live streaming, or anything else. So you definitely can decide that what you want and what you prefer. So that's really important. And talking about this simple voice commands, yes, my friend. So it's just a matter of time. That's possible to do, and it will be done. But we gotta be a bit selective. So first of all, it's gonna be the basic, then it's gonna be extra, and then we're gonna expand. So we can add that, and it's not a problem. So just a matter of time. Stay tuned. All right.
So then we're gonna go to next question.
That's right. So how about the Rokid Max2 had chromatalk dimming, or just the cap like the Rokid Max? How about that problem?
Okay, so no, this is not invented yet in our Max2, but it's a nice feature, and of course we may consider it in the future, and we can invent it in our new version of Max, probably Max 3. So the package comes actually with a blackout cover, but yeah, thanks for your suggestion. It's definitely a nice feature, and we will consider it later.
That's right, my friends. It's gonna be added. It's an extra feature, so just wait for a while. Wait for a while. That's right. Okay, the next one. Does the Rokid Max2 allow for manual IPD adjustment?
Yes, this is actually a great function that you can adjust it manually yourself. And I think I'm gonna demonstrate.
Can you show us that?
For you. Yes. So what we need our AR glasses connected to this Station2, right? So we have two C-type ports. One is for charging, second one is for AR glasses. You can see little glasses here and the little flash,
yeah, there's a sign here,
yes. So let me...
So my friends, IPD, what is IPD? Is interpupillary distance, the distance between two eyes, okay? So some people having it longer, some shorter, so it depends.
Okay. There we go, I can see. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So what I can see right now is my screen, right, the desktop. What I need to do is go for settings. It's on the left bottom corner. Yes, and I can see actually settings itself, which is on top right corner. I click the settings. There you go, and you can see the display, right? Yeah, you go to display. I chose the display right now, and there you go. You can see the average value is 64. So this is the station already gives you an advice. So the average value for a person is 64 millimeters, right? But you can adjust it starting from, let's see. Okay, I drag it to 53 millimeters. So this is the low, which is super uncomfortable for me.
Yeah.
And you can drag it to maximum 75 millimeters. Which is very uncomfortable for me as well.
If you have a big head, you're brainy, my friends, you have big eyes. I mean, like, it's all about the shape of your, you know, like head. So it all depends. So
yes. So I'll put it on average, which is very comfortable for myself. Yeah, I just drag the cursor.
And you can see how the image moving, right?
Yes, you can see it. Because like it's not even, I don't know how to explain, it's not even moving, it's just like changing and you feel...
You're like squeezing, squeezing in, squeezing out,
exactly,
something like this,
feeling,
right?
And also you can see, like you can see on my screen, you can see how to say, the lens, right, of the glasses, they also
Yeah.
move, and you can see how further
Yeah, like
away they go. And
the panels,
closer.
they adjust in the image,
Yes,
so it's like
exactly.
coming like more to the center, or they're spreading out, so something like that, you know.
So yeah, this is basically how you adjust the pupillary distance in between
Yeah.
your eyes. Yes, go to settings, choose display, and set it up manually.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Yes, I'll just go out of settings.
Okay.
This is very simple and very easy.
But
You
it's
can
really effective,
manually,
right? It's really
yeah,
effective, yeah.
adjust the distance in between.
Okay, yeah. So we just want to highlight again, my friends. So the distance between pupils is 5375 milliliters.
Yes.
Milliliters, yeah. Millimeters, Mike,
Millimeters.
sorry. Yeah. So
Yeah.
5375. So
Yeah.
please.
Yeah, and the station
Pay
helps you
attention
with
to
the average distances, 64, right? In between.
Yeah,
From 53 to 75, 64 is in the
so
middle.
somewhere in
right?
between, yeah. So again, 5375 millimeters. That's really important, my friends. And it's adjustable, easy to do. We just did it for you. So that's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. So let's move on, my friends. And if you have any extra questions right now, just that's the best time to shoot them and give us to think about it.
Because
So
we're going through quite difficult questions about teeny tiny details
Yeah.
about the operation system, about functions, about settings. So you can ask anything you want.
that's right, because we're talking about Rokid Station 2, my friends. This is the brain of Rokid AR Lite, so that's really important to know how it's functioning. So we're talking about Yoda OS Master, the operating system used by Station. Just tell us more about that, please. What is that? How it's working? What about the functions? Because we did talk a lot about that, but still people want to know about that. So let's give them more details, please.
Yes, I understand the operation system is quite new and not everyone familiar with it. But so let's talk about the operating system of Station 2. Is an industry-leading operating system, which is also developed based on that customization of AOSP, which is Android open source project. So it's based on Android, right? Android is not that unfamiliar, so this is already something for you to know. And is compatible also with all the Android ecosystem. So
That's
in
great.
theory, yes, in theory, all Android apps can be run on Yoda OS system master, right? The streaming, any gaming, any like productivity applications that have been mentioned before in introduction, they've been all tested on operation system and they worked perfectly. They work as normal. Maybe just 90% of Android applications, they're perfectly fine, but maybe there are some like 10% of those applications that can be so they can be how to say, since like we have like cooperation with Google mobile services, right? So some of them may have some difficulties, but you also can download it through APK Pure, and so it's not a problem, right? So what
Let me
do you
also
need?
add about this. Yeah, so it's about the updates. It's really important, and Rokid got the certificate from the Google and Google company, so this problem is eliminated. So all about your station 1, station 2, so you should definitely keep in touch with us and wait for the updates. That's really important, my friends. And of course, Yoda OS is based on Android, but it's a bit different, and it's about the ecosystem of the Rokid company is going to be in the future. So, my friends, it's compatible, but again, you gotta make sure they're always good. But anyway, we're keeping in touch with you. We're not just like selling the product and we just disappear. Of course not. It's all about after sales promotions, after sales service, because without community, it's not possible to do. That's why, my friends, we're having more than 1,600 backers, and we're here, my friends, giving you live to answer all the questions. And it's really important because I want to be fair. I like, you know, like we have this, okay, we have the problem, you're gonna fix it. So it takes time. Oh, good guys, just matter of time. So let's do it together.
Yes, so actually we can now experience the APK Pure, where you can download the apps from. I will show you how to get the APK Pure downloader.
What is APK Pure? What is that?
APK Pure is kind of, we can call it as a store where you can download the apps from, right?
So it's also site downloading.
Yes.
So this is really great, my friends. It's a big opportunity for Android Yoda OS master system. That's really great. I like it.
So yes, this is what I'm gonna do because like we need to download the APK Pure downloader in order to get our apps, the ones that we want. So this is what I'm gonna show you now. We need to connect.
Yeah.
Again, our Max2 to the Station 2. I'm gonna see the whole screen. So now I'm gonna see the desktop, and yeah, soon. All right.
Take your time. Don't worry. Yeah. Take your time. So
yes.
yeah.
There you go.
Let's explore for a while.
Yeah, by the way, if you can see, if you
What are you doing? Why are you doing like this?
Yes. If you can't see the cursor, you can just like shake a few times and here it is appears.
Yeah,
right?
it's called Ray. So it's called Ray. You just
Ray.
like do some waves to the
interaction.
app and you got it. Or use the touch screen.
Yeah, so there you go. Now I need to download APK Pure. I go to the local browser, which is Hyperweb.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see it here. Yeah.
It's Rokid's browser, native browser.
Honestly, yeah, very similar to Google. So just open it up. Here you can see there is a keyboard open right for me. What I can type is APK Pure. I'm so good at it now.
Okay.
Yeah, APK Pure, so, and search.
So natural, yeah, it's like user friendly.
Okay, we're waiting for this to load.
Yeah.
Okay, here it is. You can see the first link is download APK downloader.
All right.
And on the right side, here's the green button. You can download it.
Okay, so you just click it and it goes, right?
Yes, right. So, okay. Then we need to go to APK app. Here it is, we already have it. We downloaded in advance.
APK Pure, you mean? Or?
APK Pure, yes.
Okay.
We already have it as an icon on our desktop.
All right,
yes.
cool.
I didn't wait for the downloading to finish because we already downloaded in advance.
Okay.
So you can see on your desktop, here it is. It's a big green letter A, APK Pure.
Nice.
Yeah, open the app. So basically like a...
It's a big list of apps, right? Or something like
yes,
this.
I guess a big list of apps, but now I went to the search line and for example, what can I find? Let's do Facebook, okay? Missed.
Can you see the apps there? What kind of apps like available?
Wait, now I'm looking for Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can see like literally any app you can find easily. So.
And by the way, my friends, you can easily connect the keyboard via Bluetooth.
This
It's
is
possible.
much convenient. Yes.
You can easily type it if you want. You're working in the office, so this is really cool and nice solution for my
actually,
friends.
it shows me that you just connected the keyboard to the screen. Yes,
Nice,
I can
nice.
see it.
Yeah,
so
because we did it before. Yeah, if you want, have a try.
Type. Yes, there it is. I can type it using the keyboard.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the main page, and you ask me like what kind of apps.
Yeah. So you did download Facebook app, right, or something?
Yes, I found it, but I didn't download it because we have it. So here I can see Spotify, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Chrome, WhatsApp, so many different games.
Yeah.
So literally everything you can find in APK Pure.
So convenient, huh?
Yeah, that's
I
very
like it.
convenient. So this is how you download the APK Pure, and it's just installs as your regular app on your desktop. Here it is.
What I like about Yoda OS Master that like if you don't have the way right now, you can find another way. So it's really cool. So you have the site downloading, you have you know, the apps from the Google Android market. So this is really cool, my friends. It's really compatible and it's really competitive and it's really huge choice for you. So that's a big deal actually. That's a big deal actually.
So this is absolutely convenient to use now, like you used to
yeah,
use
yeah,
it
like several fingers, right?
system,
Like 1, 2, and you're done. Okay, my friends. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation. We're here having this live together with the Rokid company, talking about Rokid AR Lite, my friends. And Neo and Anna and the whole team is here, my friends. So that's a big deal. Okay, and we are talking about our next question here, my friends. It's about the basic introduction of Rokid Station2. Rokid Station2.
Yes, so we have Station 2, right? So we have user interface, which is Type-C 1, used to connect the glass side. And we have Type-C 2, Type-C 2, here Station 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. that supports 18 watts fast charging for Station 2.
Only
So this
2
is for
hours,
charging,
yeah, and
yes.
you 100% battery charge, yes.
Yes. Okay. So this
One for
is-
glasses, one for charging the ports.
Yes, that's right. So
Yeah.
only 2 ports of Type-C.
Yeah.
SoC processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1.
6th generation here.
Yeah.
That's really powerful, my friends. It's fast, so that's why this pocket computer can deal with your problems. It's all about, you know, the performance, and we're talking about RAM memory of 8 GB, so this is really huge, and hardware 128 GB, my friends. So that's why you should definitely consider this also as a phone or mini computer or AR computer, I would say like that.
Actually, you're right. Like this little thing, like as a little computer, right, that can contain all your apps or all your files, whatever you want. So it's kind of amazing
right.
how powerful it is.
That's right.
Yeah, so RAM memory is only 8 GBs and ROM storage is 128 GBs. This
wouldn't
is
say-
quite a lot.
Yeah, it's not only, it's like huge actually, you know,
Yeah.
look at this, huh? I remember my big computers, you remember like 10, 15 years ago, it's like, no way, you have like...
2 GBs?
Yeah, 2 GBs, you have like 512 MB, so like, oh my God, what can I do? I can't play the games, just type the text. But now in your pocket, like, you know, like 75 grams or something like that, so it's like nothing, you know?
Yeah,
That's
so
a big leap. Yeah. So
Okay,
enjoy
it's
it, my
going to
friends.
start from 8 and your general memory is 128 GBs.
That's
which I
right.
think quite a lot.
Yeah, for your
Yeah.
memory, for your pics, videos, apps, information, yeah.
Yeah, what about Wi-Fi connection? It supports Wi-Fi 6, which
Okay.
is also quite good, I guess. Yeah.
So we can connect to the internet in our office and we can watch the videos,
Perfectly, yes.
do the live streaming, so it's all good, my friends, okay?
Yeah, Bluetooth is B2B2 and the battery is 5,000 megabytes.
Yeah, my friends, so Bluetooth is protocol 5.2, so that's a really fast connection. And it's all about your keyboard, it's about your earbuds
Yeah,
or
Bluetooth
any
is
other
fine.
devices. It's possible to do, the chip is fast, the protocol 5.2, and it's working good.
Yes, so the Bluetooth part is actually quite important, right? Like Neo said, because you would like to connect.
Of course, some
as
extra
many
devices,
you
yeah,
want.
that's
Yes.
really important,
So
yes.
it should be good. All right, and also we have the cooling fan. Of course, it supports.
Yeah.
You can hear a little bit the cooling fan because, of course, this little machine needs to complete so many operations.
People were asking about the cooling fan. You gotta rate from 1 to 10. So my friends, I'm telling you, it's not noisy. It's not gonna be disturbance for you. So it's all good. It's all good. It's standard in the industry. So it's really good, my friends. Okay. And this is something really cool, my friends. And that's why we should definitely keep in touch with that. Okay.
Okay. So also the liner motor, it's also supported. So no worries about it. And there is the deep touch ID panel and the button, right? The power buttons. But here you can see the power button that goes home. Here is the power button. Here is you can control the volume, right?
That's
These are
right.
the buttons that you have. So yeah, all right, so this is the device and these are the main functions, the main parameters of the Station 2. Home button, power button,
Yeah.
volume button, yeah.
I see. That's real great. So
Yeah,
you finished with this part,
Type-C.
right?
Yes,
I
did
see
finish.
that our customers having another question about
Alright.
GMS services, is Google Mobile Services, and they're asking about our previous question, my friends. There was about Yoda OS master system, and it's about the application. So it's possible. And it's required that some apps, they need authorization on Google Mobile Services. And we'll talk more about this when logging into the Rokid app, step by step, my friends. Okay, so that's not a problem. Thank you for your question. Thank you for the clarification and additional interest into that, because that's really important, and that's why we're here to clarify everything right now.
And Rokid app actually contains so much information about the product. So it's really good if you guys, if you're the owner of devices of Rokid company, it's so good for you to download Rokid app, where you can see everything about your product or the product that you would like to purchase. Yes, there is whole information about it, and there is like manual explaining step by step what do you need to do to download this kind of apps and how to follow the Google mobile services.
That's right, and don't forget to take part in our survey, because you can part of the our community, to be the part of the developers and give us some suggestions, some tips, or maybe any functions you would like to add, such as voice recognition,
So,
as we said before. So feel free to add your comment, and we do appreciate that, because this is a big deal, my friends. That's why we're here and talk about that, okay? So, Anna, we jump to another question right now. So this is live. We're talking about Station 2. So we're talking about the natural interaction. So how to use the gestures. What is that about?
So there are two modes, right? There is ray mode interaction, there is touch mode interaction. For me personally, ray mode interaction is much more convenient. So I don't need to connect
keyboard
Max2 to show you how to do this. So what you need to do is just swipe with 2 fingers up. Okay, maybe I can actually show you this, because like it will be more visual for me to explain you what I see and how I do this.
Yeah, the motion will be natural. Yeah, we know how to do that. So, but let's show the audience, and it takes some time to get used to. But like first, second time, like okay, I know how to do that. That's good.
Because that's actually like a simple gesture, just one swipe, right? So it's easy to show, but I'll show you actually in motion. So for now, I have ray mode interaction, which is like you see the cursor, and there's like tail coming out from there, so
like
you
a
can
pointer or something.
Yes, so you can always see where it goes, which is super convenient for me. So if you need to switch, swipe up with 2 fingers. Oh wait, I open the app, I close the app.
Okay.
Yeah, so you need to also swipe on the empty screen, not in the app. So there we go. I can see touchpad now is supported touchpad.
Yeah.
Yes, so now I cannot use the ray mode interaction. I need to move my finger to actually see where the cursor goes. So here it is, I can open, which is harder for me myself to control, to be honest. Like I need to, scroll on this touch bar, right? So if I need to, okay, I'll go to the empty screen again. If I need to switch it back, all I need to do is do the same action. 2 fingers together and swipe up.
Okay, so my friends, basically it's about the ray interaction, it's about the touch screen interaction. This is how we do. And you decide if you want to like choose another app, or like go quickly to another side of the screen, or like change the side of your screen if it's a giant screen, okay, make it further or farther. So it's about you, okay, it's about the ray interactions, real good. And of course, you fix it with the ray some angle, and then you're gonna like expand. So it's possible to do so. The touch screen is helping
actually,
you.
For someone it might be more convenient. Yes,
that's right.
For me personally, I found more easier to manage the Station 2 if I have the
you remember the time when we had like the cell phones? We didn't have like the touch screen. We just had the buttons, right?
Yes.
And now we just cannot imagine our life without the touch screen, because one day the touchscreen was it's something believable, and you were using like the pen and all this line like. So it's really a huge change. But now same here. So my friends, it just take a while, and get your product in September. It's gonna be shipped to you, and it's a big deal.
Yes.
Okay. So we talk about right now the giant screen mode. So how to use it, how to do it, how to make it bigger or smaller.
I think I also need to demonstrate this for you.
That's right.
So good that I didn't disconnect it yet. Because also, like when you just connect it, it takes time to load, right? So you can see the loading screen before you see your desktop.
But it's pretty fast, because
pretty
the
fast,
Qualcomm chip is real fast.
Here's my so now let me see. I want to switch again to the array mode. There it is. Okay, so now what I want to do, I need to see the giant screen.
Yeah, giant screen mode we need.
Sorry.
Take your time.
Yes, there you go.
Have some play. That's for that.
All right. So I will go through the browser.
Okay.
Let me see. Yes. There you go. Okay, I'm ready. So I open Google Chrome. Oh, hyperweb. No, let's open hyperweb. It's much better. Yes.
Why you open that one? For what? Giant screen mode. We need.
All right. Actually, yes, I will open different one because like it's much better. It's much better to show you the giant screen mode. I can see my cursor, it's right here. What I need to do, so I'm going to Google Chrome. I open Google Chrome and there it is. So we went to the Jet Hub here and here you can see how we can make it smaller, right? And bigger. You can see 4 corners around that you can drag and make it smaller or pull down and make it much bigger. So this is, I made it smaller. There it is, and it goes bigger, right? You see I'm pulling the right bottom corner so I can make it bigger as much as I would like to, which gives me like kind of like the spatial screen look, right? And now I'm dragging it smaller, which I can see further away.
Nice.
So there it is. This is how giant motion is, and this is how you can use it. I think it's pretty simple, right? So yeah, let me tell you again. Well, I'm here with you.
That's right.
Yes. So what do you need to do? Doesn't matter what you open. Any application, any, just like tab, whatever you open, it can be in giant screen mode. You activated it. You can see the panel right on your right, bottom corner right. Put it into giant screen mode. It gets all big, right? After you see, like there are 1, 2, 4 corners got indicated, right? You can see they're a little bit shiny. So you can drag it, like pull it in the middle, make the window more smaller. Pull it down to the side, the window gets much bigger. So this is how you can adjust manually your screen and make it more comfortable for yourself.
That's unbelievable because the giant screen mode is up to 300 inches. That's really great.
Which is impressive, right?
Yeah.
And personally, for me, I think it's really great option because, like, I already
It's like your own personal cinema or something, like, you know, you can enjoy that for sure, like, just lay back and, like, and chill it.
Yeah, actually, I just understand that you can actually lay on the bed and, like, project on the ceiling, which is gonna be super cool. But yeah, what I was talking about, that I actually tried to open the movie. And it was super cool for me because it was like kind of like 3D movie because like it went like all big and all like spatial. Yeah, it was really great. So this kind of like entertainment I would like to do in a big giant screen mode.
Yeah.
But for example, if I work with a document or I want to type something, it's not really convenient when everything is so big.
Of course,
so
it's about gaming experience, their
Yes,
virtual,
visual
interaction, cloud. Streaming, so that's really cool. That's really perfect. So this is the mode that you guys definitely consider.
Yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're gonna type something, or like search, like when you focus on something, right? When you're typing,
it's completely different. It's different.
You don't need this.
We have the reading mode. We have the reading mode, guys, for that, so you can definitely read. It's really nice. And if you wanna make a stable image, so you definitely can choose the sport mode, and it's super cool, and you also can do that.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the next mode we have here. We talk about the multi-device casting.
Okay, multi-device casting.
Multi-device casting,
We kind of already demonstrated this, but let's go over it again.
Yeah.
So it's actually super cool, like because like I remember some of you asked the question like, how can I use glasses itself? So multi-casting mode that you can just first connect it with the cable to your laptop and you can see the screen itself. This is first, right?
Yeah.
Second, how we can connect is by screen mirroring, right? For example, if I take my MacBook, I can, everybody knows you have screen mirroring function.
That's right.
Yes. So
no need any cable. You just
it's wireless connection. So you just click on this mode and you can find Station 2 because like the Bluetooth always on, right?
That's
you can
right.
See it right there, and as soon as you click on the Station 2, the screen is just right in front of you, absolutely wirelessly.
So convenient.
No
so
any
convenient,
cable needed. Yeah. So these are 2 ways how you can use other devices with Max2 and Station 2 together, right?
Okay.
It can be with the cable Type-C or wirelessly, which is super convenient.
That's great. So people still asking online John from Facebook. So what kind of devices? We have Mac, right? Then we have Windows PC, right? and maybe also iPhone, right? Possible to connect, right?
iPhone 15, right? Because of 15 Pro, because iPhone 15 Pro has Type-C.
Yeah, but there can be a switch, for example, to change
Yes,
maybe to
yes,
Type-C.
but, yeah.
So if that needed, of course, so
Sure,
that's
yes, like,
possible.
but without any
That's
kind
possible.
of like extra
Yeah.
devices, this is what can be done.
That's right. That's right. So it really depends. But again, as you said, that also can be done without any wires if it's a wireless
I think
mirror
it's great.
mirror screening. So that's really great. That's really great, my friends. Okay. So we also gotta also keep in mind that two different things when we connect Station 2 and Max2. Okay. So Station. That's right. So yeah, we're talking about wire connection to Max2 and wireless connection to the Station 2. Because
but if, what
yes.
you get is kind of the same effect, right? The screen of your
That's right, yeah. Because yeah, we have two ports in here, one for your glasses, another one for charging. So keep in mind that that's important, my friends. Okay. So yeah, let's move on. We're having here about the streaming services. The question about that. We're talking about the Netflix, Candy Crush, Word, PowerPoint, and others. So can you give us a quick review about that?
Sure, yeah, I guess like it will be much easier again just to show you.
Sure.
Yeah, there you go. It's also super easy, like we mentioned before. There we go again. Yes, like we mentioned before, you can use any app that you used to use, right?
That's right.
Yeah, if you used to use Netflix, so easy. You can just use Netflix as before.
That's right.
Okay, so let me see. Let me show you. Okay, here I see my desktop, right? And let's open Netflix. Netflix. Welcome to Netflix.
Of course, you gotta log in advance.
5, yeah.
Yeah, so it would be easier for you.
Here are the movies I can see. Yes, like everything is just the same, right? These are the
That's
movies. Right. Okay, yeah. I don't know this kind of movie, so let's go to another game.
Let me also add some information, please.
Actually, yeah, a bit later. Let me show you quickly.
Okay.
Yes, so I can keep up with going on.
All right, you go ahead.
Yes, and here you can see I'm playing right now, which is absolutely easy to drag the candy to the line, right? So I can use it very easily. Like there is no difficulties in using Station 2 to drag the cursor to another side. And here is the Word, Microsoft Word, that you can type and do your work, do whatever you want. Also, everything is just the same, right? There is no different. You can use any apps you want. You can see so many apps downloaded right now.
So
yeah,
convenient,
we
you can
downloaded
choose
in
any one.
advance. Yes, so you can see everything is just the same and you can use everything as usually. So yeah, this is how it is. Yes, sorry, I was just like so
Yeah, I got
into
it.
it.
You're
Yeah.
into it. Yes, good. You deep dive
Yeah.
into that. Yeah, it's fine. All good. Yeah, all good. Okay.
So yeah, this is like super simple, like how you can use your usual apps, right? Netflix is just the same, but you can see now everything in such a spatial way, right? The screen is super cool.
It's
for
huge,
watching
right?
movies,
So
yeah.
it's really handy to see all these apps, and you can choose any one of them. It's so easy. And it's also about the, as we said before, APK Pure, the site downloading manager, or its native apps on Android. So this is something about really cool, my friends. So that's why we're here to discuss all these options. So the next question we're going to talk about is about multi-app option. So how to do that? What is that about? So what is how?
We also already talked about it, but I
That's
guess like
right.
so many new users just joined us, and it's also very I would say important function because
Of
you
course,
can keep
this is the key, like
multiple, 3 tabs, yeah.
multiple mobile office, yeah, from Rokid
Yeah.
Station and Max. So we're here, my friends, to introduce this Rokid AR Lite. So yeah, we're talking about multi-app function. So here, multi-app mode available to you.
Yes, let me show you again. So you can see the screen very soon. Let me show you what does it mean, multi-apps mode. Let me open for you, for example, let's open Microsoft Word.
Okay. If you want to type something, work in the office,
There
right?
it is. Yes, I opened, sorry, this is a new app, so we have new settings, but I'm not gonna do it right now. My goal is to show you how to use 3 apps at the same time.
Yeah.
So look, I'm not closing the app, right?
That's right.
I'm going back to the desktop. Yes. Okay, let me open Spotify.
Okay.
For example, let's open Spotify. Oh, you see, word is right here. You can see, but I
Yeah,
can.
okay, you can.
Yes.
So you have one,
Yeah,
two,
word is
three, like this,
here.
right?
For me, for example,
Yeah.
word is here. Spotify is right here. So
We
they
need
are
the third
open
one.
at the same time.
Uh-huh.
So let's choose this third one. I'm not closing the tabs. I'm going back to the desktop. And let's open Google Chrome.
Okay, Google Chrome.
Let's
Cool.
Okay, so how it looks for me now. Here's my Spotify.
Yeah,
Here's my Google Chrome.
that's right.
And here's my Word. So I can keep three
That's great.
tabs open at the same time. Yeah, for example, listening to music in Spotify, typing right here,
Yeah.
coming back to switch the music again.
That's right.
Yeah, and keep working on my Word app, right?
That's definitely about the 3 degrees of freedom, my friends. So you definitely can choose the app you need, just like turn your head to the left, to the right. So it's up to you. So that's really convenient. And if you want to do any kind of office work, so that's definitely for you, my friends. You want to type, you want to have a Skype call, and you want to, like, I don't know, like do the broadcasting or listen to the music later or read the book. That's possible to do.
Yeah, it's like you're really like in a different reality. Like here,
Yeah. Yeah, you see, I told you,
working,
like,
turning around, yes.
Yeah.
Seeing, yes. All right, so, and also like we keep reminding you guys, because like we keep going live, and please scan the QR code and see our profile, see our account. And
on a Kickstarter, so
yes.
check the product, the pricing, choose the best one you need for your needs, of course, because we still have time till July 11th. So this is really important, my friends. So I want to also tell you, my friends, so till that time, many more updates will come, and many more confirmations will happen, because that's really important. So we are working hard day and night, my friends, and doing this live streaming right now, because we just want to notify my friends that all you know, everything is on track, everything is valid, and it will be delivered in September. So that's the key, my friends. And still, as I remember the question about the payment, so you won't be charged until till the deadline of the project. So it's July 11th. So that's important.
Yeah, for now you just completed your information, right? But you haven't been charged yet, because our project is still going on until July 11th, which is deadline for our project. Then you're gonna be charged for the product that you purchased, right?
That's right.
Yes, and of course you will receive the notification about this on your email, or if you already have your Rokid app, you will see in your account that your purchase has been completed.
That's right.
So yes, so anyway, in other way, you will be notified about your actions, like about your
what's
purchases.
next?
Yeah,
what's next, and what's your status and all the things. And don't forget to update your information. Choose the color of your T-shirt, the size, and of course, if you have your premium subscription, the Pioneer benefits, my friends. So it's a big advantage. You'll get the product a bit earlier, and extra badge, and your lucky number and name, plus the certificate from
the company.
here, and certificate from the CEO of the company. You're gonna be a part of the community, so welcome, and that's a big deal. And we jump to the next question, my friends. Okay, so here's going to be a huge one about the 3D video and spatial videos.
Okay,
So the question from Ryan, sorry if I pronounced wrong, Ryan Leduc, probably.
Yeah, probably.
And
like
other breakers.
So
Sorry, guys.
others.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
so
okay,
we're
so-
talking about 2 apps: the file browser and Deja Vu.
All right. Yes, so for many, like for the bare eye, actually, like 3D videos and spatial videos are kind of the same. You will not see much of a difference with the bare eye. When you just look at them, there will be not any difference for you.
That's right.
Yeah, however, like the spatial videos, as we refer to them, are more inclined towards like content that you, as you user, right, you capture yourself, like Vision Pro. On the other hand, 3D videos typically refer to 3D movies or other videos found online. Since the 3D effect requires viewing for the naked eye, right? With the naked eye, which is like with the bare eye, means not using any other devices. Yeah, we can only provide description at this time and are unable to demonstrate the effect through the screen projection. All right, so here also, what can be the questions about 3D content, right?
3D content, yeah. So I see the comments here right now coming over by, so please let's mention them if you have some important. Yes, Anna.
Oh, actually,
yeah.
yes. I wanted to say about 3D format, right?
Yeah.
Video format that we have. Support both of them. So we support 3D half side by side and 3D full side by side. Which
Okay.
is great. Yeah, both of them are supported.
That's great. How about if there is any way to watch 3D CBS movies with the Station 2?
So yeah, of course, like since we support half side by side and full side by side movies, of course you can watch
3D SBS, yeah.
side by side by
Side by
Station
side.
2. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
all
How
of this
about
available.
like if it's possible to say more about this 3D video support? Does it support like this the standards on the market here, HEVC or like MVC videos, for example? Yeah, what the resolution for that?
Yeah, actually, this is Apple's like 3D video format, like MVHEVC, right?
Yeah.
This is Apple's 3D format. So you can see like when you go to Station 2, there is like Files browser. You can see it right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's very easy to find. You can easily find on your
That's
Station
really
2.
great, my friends, that Station 2 can also support APK files and and Apple 3D videos. So that's really great because this is something really cool, my friends. The company want to be, like uniting the companies, so different formats. So some of them want to divide, but it's different. So here the company, the Rokid, would like to do that since 2014 being on the market. So, and been doing this since Air, Max and Max2 right now. And now we have Station 2. So this is really big deal, my friends. So that's a big thing. If you have different developers, you have different community members, and they prefer different systems. So that's really something uniting and really convenient. Yeah.
All right. Is there any other video questions about?
Of
Spatial?
course. Let's say hello, everyone. Welcome them and say, hey guys, it's really cool to be here. And of course, don't forget to scan QR code, my friends, and fill in the survey here on the Kickstarter and put something into their shopping cart, my friends, because you still have the time and we still have the time to introduce more questions to you, okay, my friends, because there's something really important. Okay, I see the second part, so I'm trying to read how to capture the spatial video, how to convert and watch spatial videos, how to do that.
Right. So yes, actually you have two ways to do this, because like for example, if you're an owner of iPhone 15 Pro, this function is already in there. So what you need to do is just record it and transfer it to your station, that you can see the video in the 3D mode.
Nice.
Yes, spatial mode, sorry. Yes, so, and also, like I said, if you already downloaded Rokid app, Rokid app has so much information and also so many person functions. You can also convert your own video into spatial video format. Right?
Wow,
so the
that's a
app
great
actually
function.
Can help you. There is a function over there. You can go to the app and it will help you to convert the video into spatial mode.
You see, it's only like not only for the users, but all the users, but they have different, tasks and needs. So this is definitely a function for their developers or the content creators. If they want to upload the content on different platforms, or they want to work on one of the edit, create. So that's really multi-directional. It's really cool.
Actually, what I want to show you right now, because I really want to show you how to to experience what spatial video is and what 3D photo. Like 3D photo for me was something really different, but it's actually a thing, like it does exist.
Yeah. So it's actually alive. It's moving, huh?
Yes. No, it's not like even moving. It like gives you this like volume, volume feeling. I don't know how to say this. So yeah. Let me close my previous tabs that I've been opening, Word, Google Chrome, and other apps. So here I am gonna show you
the Files browser and the Deja Vu. Right?
Yes. So you can see right here there is Spatial app. So it's on your panel down here below. I open Spatial app and I can see Deja Vu. Yeah. Click the Deja Vu.
Okay.
Okay. Give me a minute, please. And soon you can see. Oh, yeah.
That's right.
This is loading.
All right.
Give it a second. Yes, and it keeps loading, because actually like the files like 3D and the spatial videos, they're also like much
pretty
heavier,
big, pretty big,
heavier than the regular files.
Sure.
So we will wait until it will be loading.
That's
and
why definitely 128 GB, guys. It's definitely good deal.
Yes, so you can actually experience it yourself. Okay, let's give it another second.
Take your time.
Yes, and it will be completed. So yeah, actually I think it's kind of like a great function that you have. Oh, there it is. Yes, we can see it. Like
Yeah.
for example, let's experience 3D photo. Can you see like how like the photo is like full of life? Yes, I can see right in front of me.
It's like growing on you, I guess,
yes,
like
this autumn
moving
tree,
on you, right?
Autumn tree with yellow leaves, and I can see some leaves are just literally coming closer to
Yeah.
me. The tree trunk is a little bit further away, so I can see like the life of this photo.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah, so here it is also, like you can see the field, right? There is a red field a little bit further away, and so much closer to me is a yellow field.
Yeah.
So you also can see the volume of the photo. Yeah,
All right.
It's like, looks
It's
very
colorful and
realistic.
it's real
yeah.
life, right?
Yeah, so okay, let's experience the video, for example, since we already understand what is 3D photo. Let me find the video for you to show. Okay, here is the video. So this, the girl...
Such a reaction, I like it.
Yeah. The girl, for example, was splashing some water into me. So I literally can like feel
I
that
see.
the splash is coming towards me.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the 3D, spatial video, sorry. Yeah, spatial video, which is also very realistic. Like the girl's waving towards me, her hands are super close to me, and they're like kind of like popping up out of the screen.
All right.
Some water again. Yes.
That's why you wave her back. Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, oh, and of course the bubbles, you can see the bubbles like passing by towards
Yeah.
you, right? So this is what a spatial video look like.
Yeah.
Okay, so, okay, let's stop. I think that's enough for you to
You sure
understand.
you can stay there for a while?
Yeah, okay, let me close it. Yeah, there it is, we go back. And I can close the app by clicking on the button going home, right?
Yeah.
Yes, and we're all set. So that's it. This is how we experienced spatial videos in 3D photos format, which is like absolutely
How does it feel
incredible.
to come back to the reality?
Too dull, the colors are not that bright.
Too dull. No
Yeah.
way, we're losing her. But it's okay, thanks to Rokid.
Yes.
You're all Lite. Good, guys, good. That's a big thing. I hope you did enjoy too. So yeah, we're jumping to the next part, my friends. We almost finished our second part about the
already,
Rokid Station 2. So later we're gonna have a giveaway, my friends. So it's not that late to send your comments. Stay with us, stay tuned. Follow our official accounts on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So please don't hesitate. And of course, shoot the questions that you feel you need to ask us about. So let's do it. The next question.
All right, so here we comes to news questions, and I want to ask, like, our users want to ask you, what is the longest battery life of Station 2? How long does it take to charge?
Okay, that's a really interesting question. Longest battery life. So it's unlimited actually. It's actually unlimited, my friends. So all the troubles away. You can use it, my friends. You can use it for years. And to charge the battery, it's about like 2 hours. 2 hours.
2 hours. That's
2
not
hours.
a lot, actually.
Yeah, it's not. It's not. It's really good. It's fast. And then for half a day, you can easily use it, my friends.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so let's move to the next question.
That's right.
And next question is, what is the purpose of the 2 USB ports on the Station 2? Is there some sort of touch lock feature to avoid accidental operation?
Okay, so here, easy to tell you, my friends, and easy to use. So here, by default, one port is for their Max2 glasses, okay, AR glasses. Another one here for the charging, okay, it's for the charging. That's really important. As for the touch look, this function, it's really great, and it's gonna be implemented a bit later, my friends. In the newer updates, it's gonna be available to you. So please wait for the official launch. Okay, so it will be done before the launch, before their September. So yeah, it will be.
Yes, that's so. I think this like special like touch lock feature is really great because like since it's a touch screen, right? So you can accidentally complete some actions and maybe some people do some bank operations or yeah, something really important that they can accidentally click wrong. Yes, okay, let's move to the next station.
Yes.
And the next question is, in a shutdown state, will the battery of Station 2 drain as quickly as Station 1?
No, definitely no, because this problem has been already resolved. The Rokid got the certification from Google, so the battery energy is not draining, and it's all good. It's all good, so no problem. If you do have any problems still, so definitely we should recommend you, and you should upgrade your system.
Right?
That's really important. That's really important, my friends.
Yes, because like everything should be upgraded, and of course, if you want to keep your functions better, you can always upgrade and enjoy like better.
That's right.
functioning.
I want to say hello, my friends, to new friends that are here, because we've been live here for hours, and this is our second time zone, my friends. It's really important to welcome new friends and say hello to our old friends, and we are all friends and a big part of the community. So guys, please scan the code, check the survey, check the Kickstarter page, because we've got more than 1,600 backers, and this number is growing. I gotta check and take a look and tell you the precise number, my friends. So no worries, we are the big team, and this is great. So check the products, check the pricing, and make your choice. We're here with you to answer and address all your questions.
Yeah, and just to remind you that today we're talking about Rokid AR Lite and Rokid Max2 with Station 2.
That's right.
And so during the first part and the beginning of the second part, we experience how to connect multiple devices to your AR glasses or Station 2. It can be done wirelessly or using Type-C cables. So,
that's right.
So many
options available.
Yeah, available. Like it's completely up to you how you prefer and how you used to use the devices. Yes.
That's right. We do also have the Rokid Hub. It's really convenient with one male port to connect it with two female ports, one for glasses, another one for charging. So this is really a game changer, and this is something that you can definitely experience with the Rokid, with the pioneer of AR, my friends. And of course, the giveaway here available for you, the 3 sets, the keyboard, and of course the earbuds here, as you can see. Okay, the foldable, lightweight, with magnets, keyboard, my friends. So follow the official channels, our accounts, and stay active.
Yeah, earbuds with the touch screen, which has so many functions. Like you literally can use this as your spare phone, right? If you need some basic functions, these earbuds have it all.
That's right. We're talking about the earbuds in here, my friends. Yeah. So this is really
and you guys
important.
can get it. You can win it just for free. So that's why we keep encouraging you staying with
That's
us.
right.
Leave your question, leave your comments. Yes, and maybe you're gonna be the lucky one who get the office set.
And of course, you can easily connect via Bluetooth to your Max2, either the earbuds or the keyboard, or at the same time both. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
Okay, so like what is gonna be our next one? How does the Station 2 handle the
jittery screen, yeah.
With the Max glasses and AR mode, is bad in a car due to screen shaking, or is it fixed?
Yeah. So the Station 2 is more powerful. That's why, my friends, this jittering problem is fixed. It's been fixed, and thanks to their computation capabilities and their new chip, so it's all in the past, my friends. Okay. So the 3DOF anchoring function now is realized fully, and you can enjoy that without any kind of dizziness or headache or any other kind of side effects or whatever. So you can use it for half a day and you are fine. Especially the weight of the glass is 75 grams only. So the nose pads, and this is a big combination, and of course this is a big deal, and easy operating. So touch screen or Ray, just put in the pocket, and you do enjoy that, listen to the music, and that's really convenient, my friend. So of course, about the sports mode, as we said before, if you're in the car, it's a bit shaking, the road is bumpy, or you're in the gym and on a treadmill, or just walking outside, or you decided to read a book. You decide how you want to do the screen mode, the reading mode, or the sports mode is how possible to do and fix your image. So this is the way.
Yeah, these are such great functions.
Yeah.
Yes, it's like definitely improvement, and it's made the next version like Max2 is just much better.
That's right. So my friends, as we mentioned before, and welcome our new friends here joining our live streaming. And of course, it's almost the end of the second part, my friends, and we're talking about our giveaway. We're talking about the earbuds. They're available in a white color, and the keyboard available in black color here. Okay, so foldable keyboard. I can even do like this. okay, and you can put in your pocket or your backpack.
Yes. Very compact. You can literally
Easy,
carry
easy,
it with
easy
you
to
anywhere.
carry, easy to use, especially with the screen touch area here available, and of course the earbuds with the noise cancellation function, with the interactive screen in here available to you, with different kind of functions here, voice volume up or volume down, or like you can choose any kind of sound or favorite it, and check the time, and more, my friends.
Many
That's
more.
right. So this is real cool, my friends. And to do that, you just gotta follow the official accounts on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Stay with us, put a comment, and our team will check your activity and will proceed to the giveaway. Okay, my friends.
Yeah,
so
you need to
this
type Rokid
is really
AR
cool.
Lite.
Definitely, you gotta type Rokid AR Lite in the comment section below. Thank you.
Yeah, our team is definitely gonna check it very soon and pick up the lucky one.
That's right.
Whoever it is, yes. And you're gonna win this office set from Rokid Company. Okay, so also, since we're coming like to the end of our second part, it's been so long time, but it's definitely worth it because we've
So
been
productive.
able, yeah.
We've done many questions, my friends, many more to come. So please stay tuned for our third part about our continuation of this Station 2. Station 2.
So yeah, I think it's been very productive and it's definitely worth it because we've been able to reach different time zones, right?
That's right.
So if you're from different time zones, you've been able to watch us live, and actually you could get the answer from maybe exactly your question, or actually maybe some other users' questions were very useful to you as well, and you got more and more information about products of Rokid Company. Yeah, and now if you still have more questions, our third part is coming very soon, and you can still leave it in the comment and we will answer it later. So
That's right.
please just stay with us, and third part is coming. Maybe this is exactly what you've been looking for to get rid of all the doubts, to get your Max2.
That's right, my friends. I want to add one more sentence that we're going to have a replay. So later you're going to check all the questions and all the answers. So it's really convenient. So stay with us, because you will know all you need and even more. So that's why we're here, my friends. So thank you again, Rokid, Neil, Anna, and the whole team. Thank you again. See you in a while.
See you soon.
I'm at 1 Pyramid. I'm in the heart of New York, Times Square, and I'm here to show off the Rokid AR Lite.
Oh!
Wow.
So I got like 3 windows. I can switch from the windows whenever I want.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yes, they're 3D. Everything looks so clear.
Yeah, it's very clear.
I like that. That's my first time.
I want to touch them. Great. Ah, c'est incroyable.
Yeah.
I'll admit, this is pretty good. It's actually pretty awesome.
These are cool. They're very lightweight. Maybe in the subway, or if you're on a plane, even at home.
Okay, cool.
Oh my god. I feel like Iron Man.
It's pretty easy to use.
Yeah, and I'm a grandma. I can do it.
I like it.
I've never seen anything like this before.
They're very comfortable.
I mean, this is fun for me when I travel. So basically, pretty much I'm sitting for a long flight.
How much would you pay?
I can see this going for like $1,000. That'd be probably a pretty good price for it.
Well, how much do you think that should cost?
I don't know. $1,000?
A grand? Wow.
It's really amazing. Buy them.
Rokid AR Lite, your first spatial computing AR glasses. Max2 in 2 colors. Air nose pad. Most comfortable to wear. Most friendly to myopia. Max2 has the best picture quality. The largest screen. Private and immersive sound experience. Station 2. Powerful performance for wonderful experience. Charge and use simultaneously. With natural interaction. Ready to rock. Yoda OS Master, the industry-leading OS. Massive spatial apps. Giant screen mode. Adjustable size and distance. Multi-app mode enables simultaneous multi-app use on multiple screens. Portable office mode. Spatial browser supports 3D WebXR and PWA. Remote transmission supports file and app transfer. Multi-device casting and epic screen projection. Spatial video. Every frame is a vivid eternal moment. Hundreds of AI models. Making AR smarter. Rokid AR Lite. Top-tier spatial AR experience.
First things first.